Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the option that allows respondents to view results in Google Forms. This is a very useful setting if you want to keep responses private, prevent people from seeing survey statistics, or simply maintain better control over your form data. A lot of people use Google Forms for quizzes, surveys, registrations, feedback forms, and team questionnaires, but sometimes after submitting the form, respondents are able to see a summary of everyone's answers. Depending on the type of form you're creating, that may not be something you want. For example, if you're collecting confidential feedback, running a classroom quiz, conducting research, or gathering employee responses, allowing participants to view results could influence future submissions or expose information you'd rather keep private. The good news is that Google Forms gives you a simple setting to disable this feature, and it only takes a few clicks. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Forms. Now, open the form where you want to disable the Results View option. This can be an existing form you've already shared or a brand new form you're still setting up. Once your form is open, direct your attention toward the top right area of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents the Settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. A Settings panel will appear with several categories related to how your form behaves. Depending on your version of Google Forms, you may see sections like General, Presentation, Responses, or Defaults. Now, look for the section related to Presentation Settings. Inside this area, you'll find an option called Show Summary of Responses. This setting controls whether people who complete your form can see charts, graphs, and overall response summaries after they submit their answers. By default, this option is sometimes enabled, especially in forms designed for polls or public feedback. If the setting is turned on, respondents may be able to view combined statistics from all submissions, including answer percentages and response trends. To disable this feature, simply uncheck the box or toggle the option off. Once disabled, respondents will no longer be able to see the response summary after submitting the form. This means each participant will only submit their own answers without viewing how others responded. After making the change, close the Settings window. Google Forms automatically saves your settings, so there's no separate Save button you need to press. At this point, your form is now configured to keep response summaries hidden from participants. Before sending out your form, it's always a good idea to test it yourself first. Click the Preview button near the top right corner of the screen. It usually looks like an eye icon. This allows you to experience the form exactly the way respondents will see it. Fill out the form with a quick test response and submit it. After submitting, confirm that the summary results page no longer appears. If you don't see charts or statistics after submission, then the setting has been successfully disabled. Now, let's quickly talk about when this feature is helpful and when you might want to leave it enabled. Keeping response summaries hidden is best for private surveys, employee feedback forms, school assessments, client questionnaires, and applications where answers should remain confidential. On the other hand, public polls or classroom activities sometimes benefit from showing results because participants can immediately compare opinions or responses. So the right setting really depends on the purpose of your form. Another helpful tip is to review other privacy settings while you're already inside the Settings menu. For example, you can limit responses to one submission per user, collect email addresses, or disable editing after submission if needed. These extra settings can help improve form security and response quality. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to turn off response result viewing in Google Forms quickly and easily, while keeping your form responses more private and controlled. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, feel free to share it with others who use Google Forms regularly. See you in the next video.